I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your membership on the Best Buy app, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Best Buy app. Launch the Best Buy app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your membership details. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Memberships. In the account settings, look for the Memberships section. This is where you can manage your membership details. Step 4. Select the membership to cancel. Choose the specific membership you wish to cancel. You should see an option to view details and cancel. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any final messages about the cancellation terms. Sometimes, you might miss the confirmation button if you're in a hurry, so double check that you see a confirmation message before leaving the app. I hope this helps you manage your membership easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.